So the big decision I was trying to make this summer was if I was going to travel or if I was going to do an internship. I was just looking things up and I thought, why not try and combine the both of them? And that led me to Beyond Academy.
My favorite thing about the internship was that I was really involved and I had a lot of freedom to do what I wanted to.
When you arrive, you're kind of like, wow, I'm actually here. Like, this is crazy. Everything's a novelty and everything's different and you're just taking it all in and it's so exciting.
So it's been really nice to kind of push me in a way of where I want to go, what I want to do.
Like the first day that I met everybody, we just had so much fun and everybody hit it off really well. And then people just coming every 2 weekends.
Immediately when I got here, it already felt like just like such a community. So that was super awesome.
It's been really cool meeting such a diverse group of people. We're all very different, but it's cool how we all get along really well.
For me, it's been the best because just the community that they build within all the interns.
No other way for us to ever have met if it wasn't for Beyond Academy.
I think doing this internship has made me more certain in how I want to pursue my future. Trying new things like this, it can be scary, and in those moments you kind of just have to turn off your brain and do it and then worry about everything else later.
I wanted to come into a country blind where I knew nothing about, and Beyond guide me through my experience.
The internship has definitely pushed me in the way that I think I want to go in my professional growth.
I learned how to work as a team with other people and learn about the strengths and weaknesses and interests of other people.
Beyond somehow has helped me to achieve the goals that I was hoping to achieve. But what I got help with was my opportunity that they presented me. And I've put a lot of effort in as well. But with the combination of both, I've reached at a stage in my professional life where I'm so confident I can go into any room and pitch myself and ask them the things I want to ask them and get what I want from them.
Learn how to network with people a lot more in a business setting has really helped me.
Not only more about myself alone, but I've learned more skills in being able to go out and talk to people.
I became a lot more independent and I learned how to spend time with myself.
I knew Beyond could do something exactly like that for me this year, and that was my basic motivation to choose Beyond for this internship.
If I had to do this over again, I'd 100% go with Beyond Academy.
And this experience is something I would like to do 1,000 times. Do it, don't think about that. It's a really good thing for yourself, so let's go.